focus on the nine.
Hey guys, so here it is, new videos, new camera, new quality. I'm so excited and I couldn't feel any more accomplished and better about this. I have been needing this for a really long time. I went a year with a little point and shoot camera using a mirror behind it. I gave it to my little sister. Hopefully she can use it and start a YouTube channel of her own, but she did, I did make her a makeup Instagram, so I will link her name down below. It's MakeupByMicaylah and mine is MakeupByMicaylah. So if you want to follow us, just go ahead, no pressure. But before we get into this video, please subscribe at the button down below because it's free and it takes 2 seconds. Like, you don't even have to leave this video. So come join the crew. It just makes it easier for you to come back and see me so we can connect, you know. So yeah, what you waiting for? Subscribe. And I feel a lot better. I know in my last video, like I was so out of it, but I feel so much better this video. And yeah, I got my old setup back. I fell in love with this one. Like, this one is, this setup is, it's me. It's so comfortable. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. But first, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment, share it, do whatever. Click out of it if you want to. If I'm annoying you, I hope not. I really hope not. Okay, let's just get right into this video. So first, we're going to be going into Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit in the shade 4 and just defining our brows with this Benefit eyebrow brush. And now we're going in with the Pot Beauty Eye Magnet Primer. I honestly really hated this primer so much because of the fact that it's a brush tip, but I found out today that if you use your fingers, this is actually a really good primer because you don't even have to set it. It just mattifies itself instantly. And now we're just going in with some Buxom eyeshadows. I really love Buxom eyeshadows because they are very pigmented, but they blend very easily. The first shade I'm going to be using is Famous Flirt, which is a really peachy kind of beige shade, but it's really good to blend the crease colors in with. So I'm just going to put this in my crease. And the next color I'm going to be going in with is like one of my favorite transition shades. This is the shade Filthy Rich, and it's such a, it's like a really, really rich, warm chocolate brown. We're going to go from inner corner to outer corner and really blend that in there because we are doing a halo, you know, because halos are my favorite. And then we're going to switch to a Sigma E45. This brush is honestly so good for halos because it does have that point. So the brush really does apply the color and blend at the same time. We're just going to apply that to the outer corner and the inner corner. And if the blend's not all the way like completely blended, I always suggest blending with your finger, to be honest, because it really does like warm up the product and really can blend very well. You guys, I don't know why this line is there, but it did not do that on the other one. I don't know what happened. Oh well. So I don't want to get too dark, so I'm not going to keep applying color. And the next color we're going to go in with is It Crowd from Buxom. It's a matte orange, but with a little bit of gold reflect in it, but honestly, you can't even see the gold reflect after you apply it. The next shade from Buxom is called Glitz Factor, and it's a really pretty rose gold metallic. And we're just gonna pop this on our the middle of our lid in the empty space with our finger. And then for more of a pop of shine, we're gonna go in with Silk Sheets from Buxom. Just put it in directly in the center of the lid. And then we're going to go in with the They're Real push-up liner in the mini one, the little cute mini one, and make a wing. This was my first time ever using this product, so it was a little bit difficult, so just bear with me. I might not be able to get all of this on camera because I was really kind of struggling because I'm just not used to the applicator, but I really do like the formula. I really wish they would make this formula in a pot rather than this, but we can't have it all, can we? I've been having like really dry lips because I'm kind of, you know, been sick, but I do feel better. I feel so much better. Look at me in my last video. Like, go watch my last video and you can tell that I'm just so much better. I sound so much better. But I used the CoverGirl Vitalist lip oil a couple hours ago and my lips feel so good. Like they're kind of dry again, but this, I'm gonna start using this like before I go to bed because this, my lips loved this. They like sucked this up. Like this was so hydrating, and this is the shade Melon Granita. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. So we're going to use the Pixie Rose Caviar Essence to prep my skin. This is a concentrated conditioning essence. It smells like roses. It smells so good. And then we're going to go in with this Pop Beauty 24K face base. And this is a light diffusing primer that blurs imperfections while hydrating and restoring the skin. And then you guys wanted me to try this Rose Flash Balm. It's the instant skin booster, and this is a 3-in-1 product. You can use it as a moisturizer, a primer, or a mask. So I'm gonna try it out as a primer today and see how it sits on under foundation. Okay, and for foundation, we are gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And just let me know if you want a full, like, in-depth review about this, because honestly I've been liking it and I have a lot of thoughts about it. Like I have a big opinion about it. So if you want to hear that, just let me know down below if you want a different video on this. So I'm going to start with the darker part and I'm going to put that around my forehead because you see that matches my forehead, but that does not match down here. And I'm just going to put it on my contours as well. Then we're going to blend this out with this sponge that is not dirty. Well, it is dirty, but I used it today, so it's just like a no-name sponge. So I'm just going to blend this out. This is not really full coverage. I'm gonna just say that. It's not really full coverage, but the coverage is buildable, so. But I don't ever mind my flaws peek through my foundation, to be honest. "25-Hour Breathable Foundation" is the breathable concealer in the shade 200 Light. And for under eye setting, we're just going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. For bronzer, we're going to use another Buxom product. This is not sponsored by Buxom. This is the Buxom Hot Escapes bronzer in the shade Maldives. And we're going to use this with a Sigma F79 brush. And I forgot to let you guys know that the baking and strobing set, or any of the individual brushes like this one, it comes 10% off with a coupon code, and it's Bake with K10. So if you want, I will link that down below, and I will link the brushes down below. And yeah, look into that because I really love at least this brush for contouring because it really fits into my cheekbones. This is a concealer blend kabuki, but I don't like to blend my concealer out with brushes, so I just use it to contour. This is a smaller company. This is Glow by Victoria, and this is her Glow Kit. It comes with the colors on the back. They are pretty, they're not everyday colors, I must say. There is enough, it fits medium to deep skin colors. So yeah, I really am excited to dig into this. I have swatched it, but I haven't really, you know, worn these colors yet. So I am going to apply this pink one called Pearl Thong. That is pretty. I will do a review and everything, get into depth on her liquid lipsticks, which are right here. They're all right there, and her glow kit, so stay tuned for that. And for blush, I never tried either of these. I've had them for a while. I feel like California would be good, be really like, because I really want to make this so bold, so let's just go in with California. Benefit blushes smell so freaking good to me. I'm going to just tap that on in between the contour and the highlight, and it really blends those together. For underneath the eye, I just used the It Crowd color and blended it out. For our waterline, we're going to take this Lancome Dramatic Liquid Pencil in the shade Chantilly and pop this on the waterline. For the inner corner, we're going to pop Silk Sheets into there and on the brow bone to highlight. And for mascara, we're going to go into the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I love this mascara, guys. Like, I love this. I freaking love it. Let me zoom you guys in so you can really see how it performs. I've been using this like non-stop. This has like, I might think this has replaced the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Maybe like this video if you want to see a Bad Gal Bang versus Better Than Sex. Let me know. Okay, and then for setting spray, we're going to take the CoverGirl Lock Up setting spray, which smells amazing, and set our face. Let's throw it back with a Lippie Stix. People have forgot how good these are, so I'm just gonna use its pitch to chocolate brown. I feel like this would really complement this look, to be honest. Like, y'all sleeping on these. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look and I am loving it. I really like this highlight. I can't wait to try the other colors, especially the purple one. I really like this look. I'm so glad I went with both eyes and both lips, because I never do that, either go with both eyes or both lips. I never like put the two together. But this is still kind of wearable. If you want to wear this with a nude lip or something a little bit more toned down, go ahead. It's makeup. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, I just really wanted to get out of my comfort zone, get out of what I was doing every single day, and go with a oldie but a goodie, which this was like one of my go-to colors back in the day, maybe like two years ago. So yeah, I just wanted to go with this and I really like this look. I might have to wear it out somewhere because, you know, I ain't going nowhere. It is currently like 10 o'clock at night. It's 10:14 at night. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe at the button down below and I will see you in my next video.